Hello and welcome to Heine Haynes Show for Scale. Today we have the Medford Praetorian G in black. So we'll get this out of the box for you here. That's it. Really nice hard case there. Got a little dog tag on here as well. If you can turn that around so you can actually read it, it's probably helpful. There, showing it's an official made in the USA knife from Medford. So move that out the way. And here is the knife itself. Big knife. Let's look on that. Look at the effect on that, the grind. See the Medford there. Get some of the lighting on that for you, so you never looking at that. So talk to you a little bit about the knife now. So it's obviously D2 tool steel in this. Blade length is, let's have a look at this for you. We're looking at total blade length of about just over 10 centimeters in there. 10.3 I believe, roughly. We've got blade thickness in here of about 0.4 centimeters. Closed length of this knife, there's that up, 13.2 centimeters. And then overall length, when opened, we're looking at 22.6 centimeters. Again, plain edge, drop point, hollow grind in there. Look at that again, see if we can get some a little more light on it. Yeah. The cutting edge of this knife, I believe, is 9.5 centimeters. So 9.5 centimeter cutting edge on here. Looking a little bit at the handle now. So you can obviously see it's G10 here with a titanium frame. It's a frame lock design, so you can see in there if I close this up for you. Look at that, and then we'll open it back up. It doesn't come with a sheath, but as we looked at earlier, it comes with this really nice hard pelly case there with a nice official dog tag on there. Move it back to the side. This knife weighs 234 grams, so it's a reasonably weighty thing, but that's what you expect from a knife of this side. Something I almost forgot. At the back here, we've got an MP3 coated tempered glass breaking pommel. It's made from the same D2 tool steel, so but obviously it's MP3 coated. So if I can see if I can get, there we are. See, so that we've been reassured by Medford as well. That is a real functional tool as well. It's not just a gimmick. So that's a really nice thing. So this is the Praetorian G in black from Medford. As always, guys, want to know more? Click the link at the bottom. Thanks, guys.